Ho ho, Tofdi! How's it going, guys? Spring Tremor from the Geordie Station here. Welcome to another Tofdi Tut. But this time, it's not in Minecraft. This time I'm going to show you, as a special edition, for no reason whatsoever, I'm going to show you my process for editing and making videos. So the first thing you need to know is that I use fraps to record everything. Right now I'm using this feature here to record the desktop. All you do is tick that and it'll start recording. I'll put it to various places on my hard drive. Putting it on the hard drive, external hard drive, means that it won't lag your computer as much, because something about reading and writing, trying to do the same thing on the same hard drive is difficult for the computer. So I've got external and an internal. The games run off of the internal hard drive, and the recordings write to the external hard drive. Just sort of hit that. Obviously, you need to, if you want to be doing gameplay commentaries, you need to be sort of wealthy enough, but you need to have the money to buy a good computer, fairly good, good processor, good graphics card, and good RAM for fraps, and you need to have the money to buy fraps and the games that you want to record as well. So yeah, so with that out of the way, so I recorded this in some folder. I've just recorded a few videos. I think this is normal for fraps. It just splits it up into some videos. So these are like just videos that I've recorded like 20 seconds ago. Let's have a look. This is a useless recording of... Yep, so that's that. So, the first thing that I do is, with these recordings, open up Windows Live Movie Maker. If you want to know what that is, that's called Circle Dock. That's easy enough to find on the internet, as far as I know. Just Google Circle Dock. Drag that on in there. Oh shit. This doesn't usually happen. Oh no! Alright guys, I'm just going to be 2 seconds while I see if I can fix this. Bye! Alright guys, sorry about that. I figured out the problem. What was actually happening was I was trying to import the video that I was recording. I've had them going into the same place. So anyway, this is the recording that I did before, the useless one. It's just under 15 seconds long. So I'm going to show you what I would do with that now. So if this was going to be an episode or 2 episodes of gameplay, I would first of all import the picture. Let's say it's a Technage episode or 2. Technage episode 1. Import the picture just like that and hide it at the start. Something to note is that I'm recording in 16:9 resolution, so this is going to fit perfectly in here. However, if your screen is a different resolution, you can try and change the resolution. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Or you can change this. If your monitor is 4:3, you can use that, but obviously that puts black boxes around mine, so I need mine just like that. And also the image needs to be the same resolution as the video footage. So obviously this isn't right. I think there's been a few errors with that. Thanks very much, Chuggles, you knob. Not only did he spell my name wrong as well. Not in this one, I changed it before I put that up. But anyway, right, so yeah, import the graphic. You can also change how long this graphic shows here. I usually put it on for 3 seconds. Then I also get a little intro sound here, a little MP3 file, and I put it on just there. Well, you can easily move it around just to make sure that it's in the right place. Ho ho, Tofdi! There you can. That's such a stupid intro. So even though these have nothing to do with each other, these intros, graphics and whatever, I'm going to export this by... Alright, here's something you need to know. These are custom settings that I've made myself. What you can do is create a custom setting and choose this stuff here. Audio format, that should be higher than that. Sorry, that should be lower than that. Shit. I think I've just fit. Oh. There we go. That's fixed the audio. If you haven't noticed, and that was a little bit out of time. Excellent. So that I've just sorted something out for myself there. Right, so you can make a new setting, rename it, change the pixels, all the rest of that. Nope. Meanwhile, I've already got my 720p, and I used to use 720p standard when I used to have to export it as 4:3 and then stretch it on a YouTube. But now I can just use this one. Save it where I want to save it, which is in this location right here. Copy the address, paste it there, and there you go. Then just put in blah, save, and it'll just export. This shouldn't take too long at all. Even still, I'm going to pause it because it's just annoying. And it's done. Simple as that. Then this thing will come up here asking you, well, telling you that it's done. So you can play it, open the folder, close. I've already got the folder open right here. No, I haven't. 2 seconds. There it is. And there is your exported video. Now we could upload it just like that. I mean, it's only 1.72 megabytes. It's what? 17 seconds? Yeah. It's not long at all. However, if you're doing 15... Oh, one thing I forgot to show you. If you want to split it up into episodes, all you've got to do is find it. Find where you want to split it. Click split here. Then you can delete everything after that. Export the first bit. Once that's exported, all you've got to do is press Ctrl Z and that last bit will come back, and then you can delete the first episode, change the graphic, and you're ready for the second one. It's that easy. If you didn't catch that, figure it out. It's not too hard. Anyway, so that's it. We're finished with Movie Maker. Happy days. Now, what you can do, that's not something you need to be looking at. There we go. So you've got your episode there. Now if I'm doing 15-minute episodes, I don't want it to be too big a file to upload and take ages. I mean, it takes long enough as it is. This Bioshock episode 4 is only 15 minutes and still taking like over 2 hours. And that's with it being exported, with it being converted. That's would have taken a hell of a lot longer had I not converted the file type. So what I do is, well, I change the file type. This is a WAV file. No, it's not. It's a WMV, yeah, WMV file. So what I do is get this bit of software here, which is FreeMake Video Converter. Check that out, it's excellent. And I convert this file here, right there. All you've got to do is drag it on. I convert it to an MKV file. Don't be alarmed, there is a lot more settings than MKV. That's just my favourites. There's loads of settings you can change it to. I just convert it to MKV because it is the smallest file type that I've found so far, and it doesn't seem to get rid of much quality. So you click the file type you want to convert it to, find where you want to convert it into. 2 seconds. Right, so I want it to go into this ready folder. That's the first 4 episodes there, and just copy that right here, convert, and that'll just get itself away. That doesn't take long at all. It takes a lot less time than exporting it. And there you have it. That is pretty much all you've got to do. Of course, it's going to take a lot longer than it has taken to watch this video, because you've got to record all the footage that you want, and exporting it takes quite a while. Can take some time. So that's the file that I just upload to YouTube. That's what all of these files are, .mkvs. There's 11 files going up because I really don't want to have to be backlogged for when I get back from Cyprus. Happy days, holiday. Okay, that's that. Freeware. So hang on, let me just see if I can list the software that you need. You need Fraps, which you've got to buy. FreeMake Video Converter, which is free, and the games that you want to buy. And what was the last one? Movie Maker, which is free. So thanks for watching, guys. I know this was a bit odd to be going in the Tofdi Tuts playlist, but that's the way it is. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.